When your Sonicare is on the charger, a blinking green light means it's actively charging. Once the battery is full, the green light turns solid. If the toothbrush is off the charger, a flashing green light usually means the battery still has power but isn't fully charged, while a solid green light indicates a strong battery level. Battery warnings are easy to recognize. A flashing orange light with 3 beeps signals low battery. If you see flashing orange with 5 beeps repeated twice, the battery is completely drained and needs immediate charging. Many models also use LED bars or dots to show intensity levels. The more illuminated lines you see on the handle, the higher the brushing intensity selected. Premium models like the Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige include advanced features such as Sense IQ technology, which adapts to your brushing pressure and motion in real time. When active, a special indicator lights up to show intelligent adjustment. These smart brushes also connect via Bluetooth to the Sonicare app for tracking and personalized coaching. Brush Sync technology monitors brush head wear and triggers a blinking light and beep when it's time for a replacement. Most Sonicare models take up to 24 hours for a full charge, and the flashing light stops once charging is complete.